Hey guys, it's Princess and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna be buying my dream wardrobe, but there's a twist. I'm gonna be buying my dream wardrobe but on a budget because I am not rich, and yeah, I just I wanna like be very trendy but also not break the bank kind of girl, and yeah, so it's gonna be on a budget. So first, before I get started, I want to make a list of all the things that I want in my dream wardrobe so that I don't really like impulsively buy stuff, because that happens a lot. So I'm just gonna go on this app. I am gonna add a project and I'm just gonna name it dream wardrobe. Sorry, I forgot how to spell wardrobe for a second there. Just please don't mind that. Okay, so first, I've been really wanting corset tops. I don't have any corset tops yet in my wardrobe. So the next thing that I've been wanting for super long now is like brown pants or jeans. Yeah, brown is just super trendy lately, and I feel like brown is very versatile and I can pair it with a lot of different stuff. Moving on, I've been wanting like a pattern pants or jeans, like a pattern that is kind of unique, I would say. Moving on, I've been wanting a knee-high boots. You don't know how much I've been wanting a knee-high boots. I've been like always like looking for knee-high boots on Depop, on like everywhere. I've been just like searching. My mind is like currently blanking and I can't think what other pieces I've been wanting. I've been wanting a white bag, preferably a sling bag, because I love wearing sling bags more than like the trendy ones right now, like the handbags. Oh, I've been wanting some rings, just some like cute rings. Oh, I've been wanting some high-waisted bikini. I know it's not summer yet and it's very cold, but I just wanna like look at some bikinis, and yeah. God, I can't think right now. Oh, I've been wanting a black puffer jacket. I have this like white puffer jacket, but I definitely need a black one. Okay, so I think we're just gonna end with that for now, because I honestly cannot think right now. So oh, there's another thing that I've been wanting to put in my dream wardrobe. It's the Princess Polly Love Color romper. I've been wanting that romper for super long. It's super cute. It gives me like fairy vibes. Shopping for me takes a long time just because I want to find like the good deals, and I just don't want to like splurge in like very expensive stuff. As you guys all know, I've been wanting that Love Color romper for super long. I've been wanting the white one, but it is pretty expensive, and I was like looking on Depop and I saw this like green romper. Kind of looks like the Love Color one, and it's Princess Polly too. I really like this one too. Shopping for me takes a long time, so I did like research beforehand, just because I feel like this video is gonna take super long if I just like look online. It's not enough for me because I'm very indecisive. So I did my research beforehand, and I'm just gonna show you guys the things that I've been liking. Let's go on Depop too. I find another like Princess Polly find, and this one is, oh wait, let's look at my likes for a second, and then I forgot, it's actually in my cart. So it's this baby pink skirt, and I found it for like $20, so I'm plus the shipping, it's only $23. So I've been looking through Forever 21 as well, so let's go there. This is everything in my cart. I got this like black leggings, essential, and I also found this bralette. It looks super cute and I love the color. It's in mocha color. Moving on, I also found this one piece. It's high-waisted and it looks very unique, so I'm probably gonna get that. And I'm also getting a sports bra in white. Yeah, everything totals like $54, which I think is a pretty good deal. Oh, I need a mesh top. That was what I was gonna put on the list. So let us go back to the list again. So let's go to Shein now. I'm gonna show you what I got because I just bought them. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys everything. First, this one. This is what I got. I got the like high waist flare like corduroy pants in brown. That's in the list, so I got that checked. And this tie-dye front crop top in brown as well. I thought that would look good with the brown pants, and I think this is like mesh material, I would say. But yeah, that is also have been in my dream wardrobe list. And I found this like tie-dye halter top, which it's kind of like an impulsive buy, but when I first saw it, I just needed to have it because it's so cute and I love the colors. And I just thought this is gonna look cute in the summer. And I got some mesh stockings, and this one has like hearts on it, which I thought is so cute. I got the plain black stocking, but yeah, I've been wanting like something with like some kind of pattern. And I got this like knee-high socks in black. Just to add like something. I just want to experiment a little more. And I got this like beaded flower necklace. It's super cute. I actually have the bracelet of this, so I just wanted the necklace so that it's like matchy. And I also found this. It's just this mushroom necklace. I thought that was cute. That was kind of an impulsive buy actually. And okay, part of the list, I found this like bustier corset tube top, which I heard is like a dupe from Princess Polly. I actually read the reviews and they said it was really good quality, so I might try that. And yeah, moving on, and I found this like bikini. It's super cute. I actually have the blue one of this blue version, and I love it so much. So I definitely need to have this color as well. And these are the rings that I got. I got this green pink ring. I got this like flower beaded ring. It's super cute. And I found this like pattern pants, zebra stripe, high-waisted straight leg jeans, and that checks the list as well. And I found another ring that I thought was cute. It's this like heart ring. And what else? Oh, I actually been wanting something like this. It's like solid leg warmers, and I thought that is such a good like addition to an outfit. It's like very simple and it looks cute as well. And also another bikini, high-waisted bikini that I found on Shein is just this orange, like very, I like how it ties at the back and it ties on the sides as well of the waist. And I just thought it would be flattering. I'm not really sure about the color because I don't know, sometimes it like looks different from the picture when you get it than like in reality. And lastly, I got this like just the same ring but in different color. Actually made 2 orders. So the second one, I got this like this puff sleeve crop top. Puff sleeve crop top. Blah, blah. I can't speak. And I actually got this like puff sleeve crop top in white. Thought it's cute and it ties in the back as well. That was kind of like an impulsive buy, I would guess, because that wasn't in the list. And I found this like white belt. I've been wanting a white belt for super long now, so I just got that. And I got more rings, but this one is kind of different, I would say. It has like hearts on it, and it's actually like 2 rings together. And yeah. Okay. Lastly, the one on the list as well is this knee-high boots. That's everything that I got from Shein. And I actually ordered something from YesStyle as well, but I didn't really like I did it before making this video, which I shouldn't have done that, but yeah. Anyways, here's like everything. Here is everything that I ordered from YesStyle. So I got this like lace-up bustier, and I got some flare jeans. Oh, that's the thing that I've been wanting. I needed like something like a flare pants or flare jeans. Okay, so I got like boyfriend jeans. I got this like leather bustier top. It looks like this. I don't know if it's gonna look like this when it comes here, but it looks good, I would say. And I got this like lace-up crop top as well. And I got the white sling bag that I've been wanting, so I got that. And I got a black puffer jacket. It's gonna look like this. The brown was a little tempting, I would say, but I definitely wanted black. And I got another knee-high boots, but this one is like a lace-up one. So I got it in black as well. The next time you see me, I will have all the packages to show you guys. Okay guys, so that is everything that I wanted in my dream wardrobe. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please hit like and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!